Google Fit is the most common fitness app on Android, and using it effectively can improve your health. In this video, we'll learn to use it. So, let's jump in. This is the home screen. When you open it for the first time, it will set up your profile. On top is today's step data. Google Fit adjusts the home screen as per your requirements. The activities you track or the data you record will show up here. For example, it doesn't show the sleep data by default, but if you start recording it, it will start displaying it here. Some things are constant and are always here. The weekly data shows the daily goals and on which days we achieve them. This weekly points target is set by Google Fit and the World Health Organization, showing that we need to do at least 150 minutes of activity per week to stay healthy. Then is the workout data, sleep data, bedtime schedule, and if we achieved it any day, heart points, steps, weight, and more. The most common workout is walking, and Google Fit automatically tracks it. This blue circle fills as you walk and you will see the total steps here. The circle is based on your daily step goals found in your profile settings. We can tap on it to see the detailed view. Switch between the points and steps from here. Google Fit shows the hourly data to show you when you walk the most. Each activity is recorded in the journal, which is available here. We can switch to weekly data, which shows how many steps we took in that whole week. Also, the monthly data has bubbles where each bubble size corresponds to the steps walked on that day. We may click on any to view its details. We'll talk about the heart points now. Google Fit has a universal tracking system that rewards you with points for each activity. For moderate activity, you earn 1 point per minute, and for aggressive, you earn 2 points. For example, for walking, you earn 1 point, and for sport like badminton, you earn 2 points. It only counts the points when a workout is detected or an activity is tracked. For example, you will notice only 10 points from 8,000 steps. This shows that most of those steps are normal daily steps. I only walked for 10 minutes consistently, which is why 10 points. The whole idea of points is to get enough exercise to achieve your daily and weekly goals. On the top, we also see calorie consumption, also called energy expended. Google Fit works a little bit differently from other fitness apps. It tracks your basal metabolic rate, BMR, along with your workouts. So as the day passes, this number increases even if you haven't worked out today. If you go into the monthly view, you will see that most are bigger. That's because of your BMR calculations. Google Fit supports over 100 workouts and it calculates the steps, heart points, and calories. We don't need to carry the phone for many activities as it automatically tracks everything. It's not fully accurate, but it does a good job. To start one, click this plus and track workout, and then pick the sport and start. For distance-based workouts such as walking and cycling, it records your GPS data as well, and going into one will show the covered map. We can also add a workout if you forget to track it. Tap add activity and then fill out the details on the next screen. Fit will add it pretty much the same way as a tracked workout. Now we'll record our blood pressure and weight. Both are available in the same plus icon. Blood pressure asks you about the position and the values recorded in the device. Once you start recording it, you will see the data on the home screen. Same with weight. We record the weight, and as we do, it shows a line graph of recent records. Tap on it to see the detailed view and each month's data. If you record the weight multiple times in a month, it will display the month's lowest and highest values. Sleep recording is part of Google Fit. It's not the best sleep tracking app, but it is here if you don't have any other option. The feature is in the Browse tab. Tap Sleep and then the plus icon at the top. Put in the sleep and wake up times and see your data here and on the home screen. The bedtime schedule can be adjusted from the profile settings. It checks whether you slept and woke up on time. As you start adding the sleep data, the app shows your average sleep time. And in the detailed view, if you tap on a day, you will see the sleeping time and schedule. Let's explore the Journal tab. This is where Fit records your every single activity, whether it's automatic or manual. If you have a compatible watch with Google Fit installed, you can tap here to sync your data. Tapping each shows the detailed view for that record. The Browse tab offers many activities to record. These are all manually recorded. We can record our body measurement, vitals, nutrition and cycle. I won't go into the details as each option has different recording points, but you can explore this at your own pace and see which are helpful for you. The last is your profile, which can be edited at any time. We can use Fit without a Google account, but the data will not be synced. Google Fit can connect to other health and fitness apps through Health Connect. That way, if you use Google Fit with a different health app, you will see the recorded data in both. Or if there is an app that connects to a measuring device such as a blood pressure monitor, you can use it to see the blood pressure data in Google Fit without inserting the data. There's more to Google Fit, but I think we should stop here for now. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe as it really helps. I will see you next time. Take care.